Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Asana Workspace permissions for new team members, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Asana Workspace in your web browser. Log into your Asana account with your credentials. Navigate to the Teams section from the sidebar menu. Select the team where you want to add new members. Click on the Members tab to view the current team members. Locate the Invite button, usually at the top right corner. Click on the Invite button to open the invitation prompt. Enter the email addresses of the new team members you want to add. Choose the appropriate permission level for each member from the drop-down menu. Click the Send Invites button to send the invitations. Once the invitations are sent, the new members will receive an email. Instruct the new members to check their email for the invitation link. They should click on the link to join the workspace. Once they accept the invitation, they will gain access to the team. If needed, you can adjust their permissions later in the Members tab. Regularly review and update team permissions as necessary. Make sure to communicate any changes in permissions to your team members. This will help ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.